got them organized pretty good.
So I think it's realistic that we pick out one spot right here in the gully. It's kind of a pinch point where all the deer come over from the neighboring properties and come through towards my pond and a little clover patch nearby. So we're gonna dig around in here, look at some of these trees, and see what the general consensus is.
All right, sounds good.
They are, but you've also got a 60-yard shot at that point. So the real question is, how close can you get in and out of the stand without spooking any deer? So if they come right through here, they'll either head up there and then over, or they'll come down through here, head up behind the pond and head up. Here, come up here, check this out. So we tried to, against our better judgment, put in a food plot last spring by rototilling up the ground, and we grew more rocks and weeds than we did clover, so we were gonna reboot this year. We picked up a bunch of the biggest rocks and left some of the small ones, so I'm gonna wait till this pops up and probably use some glyphosate, kill it all off, and then just broadcast some clover on it probably in May or June. And hopefully in 2023, we'll have a good clover stand, but anyway.
Got it, Rocky?
Yeah.
All right, you guys wanna carry it kind of right up there? We'll put it together up there. Okay, go get one of them saws real quick, Ralph, would you?
I think it's one of the warmest days of the year so far.
Yeah. I was hoping for yesterday, but you wanted today.
Yeah. Yep. I agree.
Well, better than August still. 95 degrees doing it.
So where I believe the deer mostly come out is about a 30-yard shot.
So this is the second stand location we're at.
Yep. I've seen deer come up out of here. I've shot deer that have come up out of here. And I want to find a good double ladder that's easily or a double ladder stand spot that's easily accessible without getting too into the woods, because they do bed along this back hillside. This is a southern facing slope, so anyway, this is an option if it wasn't too close. The tree right in here is an option as well.
And you've got to stand up there in the island.
I do. I don't like it. It's awkward. It puts at a bad angle for when the deer walk by, and it puts them, from the direction they're coming, it puts you with a quartering two shot, which once they get perpendicular to you, there's a big branch in the way from shooting, so it makes it just awkward bad. So I've just about where I've stopped hunting that spot. But my heart of hearts is telling me that that hickory tree right there is where we ought to go with. Well, this one looks great. It's real open, not a lot of limbs involved. One of these $89 Walmart stands went up pretty quick, so yeah, I think we're good for opening day. We're only, 5 months early? But this is when you got to get it done. Get prepared ahead of time. Preparation will give you the success that you need. So. Liberty Mutual. Liberty.
What are you
I've
doing?
actually tried to get in the stand early in the morning and I've busted them because I've walked through that field up there. It's just so hard. So anyway, you come through and hopefully if you can get in on this side, the southern side of the property, and they'll come through trying to bed down into here or bed down on that hillside over there. It's got facing the sun in the late morning.
So, do we know which tree we're going to try and move this to?
I do not. But
I think I remember. I think I remember what tree we used to have it on. It's that one right there. This one was definitely an ordeal, though, to get it situated.
I like this one.
But yeah, I think you're right. It'd be a good gun stand. Or a crossbow. Right?
Right.
It gets out there a little ways.
That's pretty up there, ain't it?
You're a long ways from here. Be safe, careful.
All right, we got 3 new stands, a used stand, and 1 other stand adjusted today. So 5 total shift changes, new spot locations, and hopefully it's going to benefit us come fall when the deer start moving around. We got a lot of stands situated for some better wind and more hunting locations. So anyway, follow us, like us, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and look forward to seeing you this fall.